Kaya lang wada khut penman daki Arbor District kita ke West Giant Hills wa ke West Karbi Anglong na ibenta uklam yasuk haperdi ke jaj berupenar wa Karbi negasngi hachnong khanduli mempoy ko cewon le na baha wa na liang ki berupenar kwa ki wa ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council uken riak chwa ko ya ke kerdop krong dan watip kam ke entry tax gate wa hapo kachnong khanduli. Hakayalang wada penman ha BOP ke Assam wada lang daki wami khmat na ki jaj berupenar wa Karbi niliang ki Bor District ke West Karbi Anglong da MU Assistant Commissioner and Border Magistrate Rakesh Thakur wa Circle Inspector Usen Bai Thang Langdi kat wana West Giant Hills wan da MU District Assistant Commissioner UWK Kharbuli MCS UDSP UEJ Sangma wa Ubi Sungo BDO Kanamdong CNR di Blong. Chuawaw sedang ia kelam haperdi ki ar jaj bro ne liang ki saheb yong ki ar distrik de penche ki yithmu yong gani ki yalang wato uklam bai thin ne benta owanra ye chong suk chong sain hagi thain khapon haperdi ki ar jaj bro khnang wa ilai wan ikamai ka ji uman ko kam wajo hadin ki yalang ne liang ki jaj bro penar pentip ki wadaw yang ki hadu wa ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council upha wada ka chithi wo pentik na wada kenria ko ya ka entry tax gate na khanduli Wei hadini tewan ilai iwan le uman ko kam wajo. Hei to wan wa karai wo chong ya lang biang nei bentau ya kelam ya gani keju kapang ongki wa man ki ko smart hai wani por wa pen bai dagi Bor District. Uperkhat merpet uwi na ki wa mi khmat ya ki penar ni da khana wa ne liang yong ki le da lai chemgi wa ki MDC yong ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council yo pen bor ya ki uklam ki wa ki bor ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council hajrong open smart ken ria ya ka tax skin khnang wa i chong suk chong sain ilai wan irep iriang uman ko kamajo
ni don ka meeting jong ki ar community Karbi Anpenar community hagani ka snong khanduli bat ni penpau ke jing kemen ba na ka ar magistrate West Karbi Anglong bat West Giant Hills District kele don lang na ka banta kane ka jing ya kren ya ke jing ya chong suk chong san habe ya dei bat kane ka meeting jongi hak bat khadu ngelasim ka we karai kane karai ka long ba hadu ba nagaliang ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kin sa ayangi ka official assurance letter na ka banta ba ki la remove ya ka tak gates hangde ha khanduli bat ngin sia kendu ha ka next meeting bat ngila rairu ba nagaliang jongi kum ki basong basa ha ka than khanduli area ngin sia kendu ya ki MDC jongi na ka banta ban pressurize nagaliang ka Bor District Council ban ya keren bat ki bor jonga Karbi Anglong District Council ban weng kloi ya ka ne ka tax gate khnang ba ka chong suk chong san ka lek ka wan ka rep ka riang kan long kumba chu long ka ne de ka khubor na ka banta kinong chong snong jong ka rilum jon tia chungi barok away. We have discussed thoroughly right from the beginning. We are living together in this area peacefully without any problem like our brothers and sisters, but we believe this will continue as usual to maintain peace and harmony in our area. But the outcome of today's meeting, we have decided to wait the official letter from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to remove this tax gate. As well, we have decided also to meet our MDC, member of district council, to communicate as early as possible for the betterment of the people living in this area. That will tell our people also to move freely till that moment that both the council they will agree and assure us a official letter to remove that tax gate.
Okay, when will be the next meeting?
According to the border magistrate, will depend on them. Anytime they call, we are ready to come for the next meeting.